Welcome to the ACHR Newsroom. I'm Maria Taylor, Managing Editor for the ACHR News, and here's a recap of the industry's latest headlines. Russia's invasion of Ukraine touches all aspects of life, including the HVAC business. Many companies, such as Trane Technologies and Chemours, have limited their transactions with Russia, and the Ukrainian Trade Association asked for even more companies to take these steps. For one HVAC contractor, the conflict is very personal. According to press reports, the principal of Murphy Mechanical in California traveled to the Ukrainian border with Moldova to help bring supplies into the country, and his daughter out of it. He started a GoFundMe page to provide aid for Ukrainian refugees, and it has raised more than $35,000 from more than 200 donors as of March 23rd. Danfoss' first ever virtual conference, EnVisioneering Connect, covered a wide range of topics that looked at today's trends, as well as technologies that can be used in commercial buildings, data centers, and food retail applications. These technologies included the new VTCA Danfoss TurboCore compressor, as well as heat pump solutions and dedicated outdoor air systems for rooftop units. In-depth sessions on topics such as carbon-neutral data centers and CO2 systems for supermarkets were designed to educate North American HVACR contractors, OEMs, end users, and consulting engineers about current trends in the industry. Two other prominent trends, indoor air quality and refrigerants, were also featured prominently throughout the online event. The pandemic has created a number of winners and losers over the last 2 years, with some businesses closing down completely and others doing quite well. For the most part, HVAC contractors fell into the latter category, as consumers invested in new equipment and indoor air quality accessories. Contractors hope to keep that momentum going this year, but that hinges on being able to obtain the equipment and components necessary for their customers, as well as finding the skilled labor needed to install them correctly. Vice President and owner of Crockett Facilities, Mark Crockett, said, "Every facet of the industry has been adversely impacted by the pandemic. Every part of the supply chain is impacted, which means price increases as well as longer equipment lead times." Amid challenges like the coronavirus pandemic, unprecedented supply chain kinks, raging inflation, and a labor shortage, many distributors rose to the occasion to meet those challenges and more. For some, the work resulted in record revenues or a newfound sense of company solidarity, as well as new connections in the industry. Now, in early 2022, the pandemic appears to be receding, but many challenges remain. Chairwoman of the Hardy Board of Directors, Rhonda White, said, "Unfortunately, I don't see the supply chain issues improving. In addition to component sourcing issues and trucking issues, the labor shortage is also impacting manufacturing plants. The continued disruption has been very difficult." For more information on these stories and many more, you can visit achrnews.com and follow us on social media. I'm Maria Taylor. Thank you for watching.